Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is playlist week. I just want to address a couple of things first. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in, it feels like ages and ages on this channel. 1 week my camera died, and then another week I filmed it 3 times and I still wasn't happy with it, and then last week I filmed it 3 times and it wouldn't upload because it said it was going to take like hundreds, thousands of minutes. So I'm sorry, I don't want to make up a bunch of excuses, but that's just what's happened. So hopefully this one will go fine. I don't know, but obviously it's going to be a lot easier for me to upload on here in the summer because I can film any day. I don't like filming in my school uniform usually, but I don't film at the weekend. I didn't film for my channel either because I couldn't be bothered. So anyway, for this video I'm going to be, I don't actually know what this is called, but I'm pretty sure you've probably all seen it before, not necessarily on YouTube. Basically you press shuffle on your music playlist, and the first, I don't know how many to do, I'm going to go 10. The first 10 songs that come up, I will tell you what they are just when I click shuffle on my playlist. So let's go. Okay. So the first song that has come up, if it will load, is Drowning by Banks. I don't really know how to explain about the song. It's just like, yeah, I like this song, so it's on my playlist. So yeah, I have her whole album on there and I like this one. Obviously I like all of them, so I'm just going to move on to the second one because I really don't know what to say. Second is Migraine by 21 Pilots. I've only just got into 21 Pilots, but I really like their music, so yeah, I don't know, I sort of just added them gradually, so I think I have the whole of Vessel on there, and I have most of Blurry Face on there, but Migraine. Thirdly is Naive by the Kooks. It's quite an old song, but I'd heard it before, and then I can't remember when I was listening to it. I think I listened to one of their other songs and I saw that this was the most popular, so I played it and I liked it and I remembered it, so I put it on here. Next one is another one by 21 Pilots. It's Terror My Heart. I like this one. It's probably one of my favourites off the Blurry Face album. Sort of a more upbeat type of one. Then I have Why'd You Only Call Me When You're High by Arctic Monkeys. I've listened to them a little bit, but I don't know if I've listened to them enough to, I don't know, there's like a lot, they have a lot of songs and I haven't listened to most of them, but I've listened to a few, and the ones I've listened to I've liked, so yeah. Next I have Animal by Neon Trees. I went to see the Vamps in April with my friend, and the supporting act did a cover and they sung this, and it was really bugging me because I didn't know what the song was called, but I knew I'd heard it, so I went on the internet and I found it and I put it on my playlist. Again, another one that's fairly old. I don't know what number we're on. Okay, this is number 7. It's Intro Set Free by the 1975, kind of a strange name. This is one of the ones off their EPs. It's actually one of the ones I've not listened to as much as their other songs because, I don't know, if I had to put into groups my favourites and my least favourites, it would probably be in my least favourites, like if I had to pick, but it's still a good song and I have it on there. Number 8 is Little Me by Little Mix, and this is Absolute. I think it's probably one of my favourite Little Mix songs. I just really like it. I'm hoping their new album's going to come out soon because the new song Black Magic came out and I really like that one. Was that number 8 or number 9? Okay, number 9 is another one by Banks. It's Fall Over. I don't know why they keep falling like this. Falling. This is just random, it's on shuffle. So Fall Over by Banks. Again, one that I've not listened to as much as some of the others, but I still like it. And the final song is by the 1975 again. It is Heart Out. Again, probably one that I've not listened to as much as some of the others. So yeah, that's it really. I hope you enjoyed the video and kind of gives you a little bit of an insight as to what's on my playlist. But yeah, there's obviously plenty more songs on there. I think I have like, I don't know, 160 something maybe. I deleted quite a few. I used to have about 200. And I delete them as I get bored of them because I don't want to keep having to press skip all the time. So I tend to update my playlist quite a lot. But yeah, anyway. Actually, it's probably more than 160 something because I just added quite a few on. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't really know what else to do for play this week, so I thought that I would do this. Hopefully this has gone up fine and you are watching this. When you're watching this, which is tomorrow, or today for you guys, I'll have broken up from school, so I'll be able to film the next few weeks really easily. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I've said that about 300 times now. I've realised at the end of every video I say the same thing, it sort of just like comes out naturally now. But yeah, I'm gonna go now. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe. We're almost at 300, which is really awesome, and I will see you next week. Bye. Hey guys,